Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Preeti. Today I'm going to show you how I created this half cut crease eye look. But before getting into the video, if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. So let's jump into the video. I'm going to start off this look by applying brown eyeshadow on my crease area and I'm going to blend it out. This will be our transition shade. Next, I'm going to apply purple eyeshadow on my crease area. Make sure the eyeshadow doesn't get above your crease area. Next, I'm going to carve out the cut with the help of a concealer. I'm going to dab out the extra product with a beauty blender. I'm going to set the concealer with loose powder. Next, I'm going to apply pink eyeshadow on my outer corner. Then I'm going in with orange eyeshadow. And for the inner corner, I'm going to apply white eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to apply glitter on my eyelid. Now I'll apply kajal on my lower lash line and I'm going to smoke it out. I'm going to complete my eye look with a winged eyeliner. So this is the final look. I had fun creating this eye look and I hope you guys enjoy it as well. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for more. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.